This instructional video can be used for all models of KeyFit and KeyFit 30, including KeyFit 30 ClearTex, KeyFit 30 Zip, and KeyFit 30 Zip Air. To replace the seat pad, position the seat pad into the carrier shell. Thread the harness straps through the correct openings in the seat pad. Feed the crotch strap up through the crotch slot in the seat pad and pull the seatbelt guide through the holes on the cover. Fit the fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. Tuck the cover around the lowest part of the carrier shell, working your way around to the top. Make sure the canopy mounts are not covered by the seat cover as you attach it. Flip the plastic tabs under the shell lip, in front of the handles on each side, and on the back side of the carrier. Tuck the material with the elastic straps behind the canopy mounts. Attach the elastic loop to the small hook and tuck the elastic under the bottom of the handle. Then, slide the shoulder pads onto the harness straps. Making sure they are not twisted, feed the shoulder straps through the seat pad slots at the desired shoulder height and through the corresponding slots on the back of the carrier. Flip the carrier over and reattach the harness straps to the splitter plate. KeyFit 30 Zip and KeyFit 30 Zip Air models can be replaced without unhooking the splitter plate. Simply feed the seat pad slots around the harness and be sure to tuck the back panel behind the two side panels. If needed, reattach the headrest insert by inserting the Velcro tabs through the appropriate harness slots and fastening the Velcro together on the back. Reinsert the newborn positioner, feeding the crotch strap through the slot in the positioner, and locating the harness straps around the front of the positioner. For KeyFit 30 Zip and KeyFit 30 Zip Air models, reattach the crotch pad and push the fabric tab through the slot in the harness buckle. To reattach the canopy, put the canopy mounts in the upright position. Insert the canopy bow through the fabric tunnel, then reattach the canopy bow on each side until you hear a click, and it cannot be pulled back out of the slot. Be sure the fabric tunnel covers smoothly over the canopy mount and does not get stuck.